What's up, guys? Today's video, we're gonna head over to the local LK Cube pick apart yard, the junkyard, and I got a notification that there's a car there that we have, and yeah, we're gonna see if it's there. Hopefully take some parts. Let's go. Looks like we're here finally. We're gonna see if this car is in here. Oh, sorry. We're gonna see if the car is here. See if we have some good luck. Is that a 350Z? Yeah, it looks like it. 2007 Mustang. Looks like it might have been a 5.0. They took the engine out of it. So we found the Ford stuff. Let's see if it's here. No way. Let's see. Damn, here it is. Damn. The steering wheel's gone? Damn. That was quick. Let's get to work. They took the trunk. Looks like we got a wheel right here that we're gonna take. What else is here? Are the door panels still there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take
Oh,
them.
no. Yeah, this one.
How's the seats? Oh, they're not that bad. Here's the engine. It's a little inline six. They took the carburetor too, which fuck, I would have taken the carburetor. Yup, everything. Looks like a Maverick over here. Damn, they took everything here too. The seats up. Oh, I mean, it needs to be recovered, but yup, it's a Maverick. I don't know what year. Looks like it was rear-ended. $1970. The inline six. I took the freaking carburetor on that too. Damn. Taking everything up in here. That's it. It's a
Do you have
bust.
a napkin?
A napkin. Oh my god. A napkin. It's a bust. We didn't find anything. It took all the stuff that we wanted. It's a nice car, man. Like, look at this thing. I mean, I'd strip this thing bare. Put a roll cage in it and just freaking 351 Windsor it. And just fucking race the shit out of it. Be a nice little car. But you can't really buy them. You can't really buy the whole car. So there you go. That's it. So we're back at the house. You know, it was not really a productive, I guess, junkyard day. You know, they barely posted the car about 2 days ago. So there was one day that we missed, and you know, they ended up taking everything that we were looking for. You know, the steering wheel's what we're looking for. The trunk was what we were looking for. But, you know, we took a couple of the small stuff. You know, but not every find is gonna be good. You know, when it comes up, you just have to be quick. That's the thing with classic cars in junkyards these days. Is, you know, you don't really see classics anymore at junkyards, and when there is one, you know, people are super quick to you know, just go ahead and grab everything. You know, just go as soon as you can and just grab it. So that's just how it is. But, you know, we'll get the next one. So there you go. Boom.